My name is Brad Bishop. I'm a father and a husband, and I also get to practice dentistry here in Kelowna. I'm a prosthodontist. When I was in high school, I wanted to go into medicine, be a doctor, help people, save people, help people be healthy. And my stepdad was a dentist, so I looked at it, thought I liked it, pursued it, and now that I've been doing it for over a decade, I love it. It truly is my passion to help people have the best oral health and best dental function that they can have. So it was a good fit for me. Some of the things I love about working with Aurum is that they're always abreast of new things like DSD and all of the the technology that helps us do things better. Using digital communication means so that we can look at cases together online. But one of the best things about working with them is that they're in it to serve the patient. So if the patient's having a problem, they own it, and they make sure that I have the resources I need to solve that problem for them. Part of the reason I live in Kelowna is because I wanted a great place to live, to be outdoors, go running, go walking. The people who come to Kelowna, they come here for lifestyle, and so it's a huge group of people that are just looking to get the most out of life. There's a lot of people that retire here. That's kind of our focus in our practice, helping people place their teeth and restore their smiles. I think one of the primary things that attracts people to our practice is that we have just a strong, we love people. We have a huge love for people and a passion for understanding what they're looking for, understanding them as a human, understanding them as a person, understanding them, just where they're coming from, then looking at their dental problems, and then coming up with solutions that fit them and their dental problems. And I think that approach is really why we're so successful, is that everything is customized and tailored to one individual. It's really fun working with people that appreciate they miss their teeth, they appreciate teeth, and they want to be whole again. So we help them.